Assalamu alaikum. Dear Director, Consumer Complaint K Electric. This is very important to let you know that after your decision of relief on my second complaint, I put up in the third complaint that GMK Electric Sarjani 2 did not accept your decision of relief. It is very important to know that how come that the GMK Electric Sarjani 2 is a junior one, and if he is not listening, if he is not accepting the decision of his senior one, like Director Consumer Complaint Cell, so how can I trust that he will provide the continued electricity in this area? I would like to remind you that as I stated, that he is habitual to start load shedding in a small minor timing, such as after your first decision he started to load shedding sometime straight or sometime under the shadow of fabricated technical issue, and then day by day he increased his load shedding, sometime direct and sometime under the shadow of fabricated technical issue. On my third complaint, as I stated, that my complaint keeps two parts. One part is I don't agree for his load shedding, whether it is direct or it is under the shadow of technical fabricated fault, because I'm paying my bill without delaying a single day, and I am not involved in the electricity theft. And as I stated in the second part of my complaint, that I charged GMK Electric Sarjani 2 that basically he is responsible for the electricity theft in sector 7A, and I described that how he is doing that. As I written my third complaint, Mr. Director Consumer Complaint Cell, that he is using his operational vehicles to use some kind of device to disconnect the current or the wire whatsoever, or he is putting device under the meter, behind the meter, to operate it through remote. Whenever the Kunduz system people like to close the meter, he can close through in this manner to operate easily. As I said that he is mastermind. GMK Electric Sarjani 2 is a mastermind of electricity theft in my area to just earn illegal extra money. Why I am making video in English today, it is very important to let you know that on the fourth time, if I feel that he is not accepting your decision, so I'll take the straight action, and may possible that I'll go to make a FIR against GMK Electric Sarjani 2. My third complaint is under your observation, and on the second complaint, when you made decision that you have relieved me from the any shape of load shedding, whether direct or under the shadow of fabricated technical issue. Why I used to say the fabricated technical issue? Because GMK Electric Sarjani 2 or K Electric even is not providing the detail on the complaint center staff about the technical fault. They are just providing the status through sometime management, sometime operational department on his system that there is a technical fault. But the complaint center agent does not know that where is technical fault arrived and how it arrived, when it will be resolved and how it's identified. You are not providing any detail about that technical fault. That's why I used to say that fabricated technical fault. My third complaint is under your observation, and I requested you on the first part of my complaint that I don't accept even a 30 minutes load shedding in this area, because I am taxpayer, filer and civilized citizen, and I am paying my K electric bill regularly without delaying a single day. And along with me there is a 40 to 50 people which are regular consumer and paying bill without any delay, and they are not involved in any kind of electricity theft. And the second part of my complaint, as it is under your observation and under your inquiry, I requested to the chairman of PEPCO that open inquiry about the GMK Electric Sarjani 2 through government law enforcement agencies under the charge of mastermind, facilitator and supporter of electricity theft. He is doing the bad things and he is putting the allegation on the civilized people of this area that they are basically thieves. But the original thief is GMK Electric Sarjani 2. Why I am saying that? I also written in my application, which is already under investigation of your good office, that the K Electric Sarjani 2 GM, his legal department in front of Wifaqi Muttasib has stated, and they provide them some documents and they try to prove that in my area there is electricity thieves. Yes, I agreed. And I asked about that if GMK Electric Sarjani 2, if he knows that there is electricity thieves in my area, so why he is not catching them? He has a manpower, he has a technology, and he is a support of Pakistan law enforcement agencies. So why is not catching them? There is only one reason, that basically he is involved, he is facilitator, he is mastermind, he is supporter to just earn extra illegal money through electricity theft in this area. Mr. Director, Complaint Consumer Center, I am making this video to let you know that PM Citizen Portal, there is some SOPs that in Corona, K Electric cannot make any load shedding during Corona disease. And the second thing, that you already given me through your decision relief from the load shedding in my area. But I said, I written it in my third complaint that GMK Electric Sarjani 2 is not accepting your decision. And today he has made it again, a straight load shedding from morning 8:05 to 9:50. When I call to your complaint center, some of your complaint agent Irfan has picked up the line and he said that in your area there is no fault. It means that was a load shedding, and he lodged my complaint, he registered my complaint, and he has given me the complaint number 6012808345. So it is very important to let you know that, as I written in my application, that GMK Electric Sarjani 2 is not accepting your decision. Today he has made 2 hours load shedding straight. Most important thing, I will not leave GMK Electric Sarjani 2 till zero load shedding in my area. If it is not happen in my third complaint, so I will put my fourth complaint, then fifth, then sixth, and in the end I will write a letter to the Prime Minister, Mr. Imran Khan, and to the chairman of PEPCO, and I will request them that open inquiry through law enforcement agencies of Pakistan against the GMK Electric Sarjani 2 under the charge of electricity theft in this area. As I said that he is mastermind, he is facilitator and he is supporter. And very soon I am going to write a letter to the FBI that please check the assets of GMK Electric Sarjani 2. He has earned a lot of money during this four year when I am living in this area of illegal extra money through electricity theft under the status of Kunda system. So just keep in mind that I'm not going to stop my efforts and my complaint till zero load shedding in this area. This video I made up for your information, Mr. Director, Consumer Complaint Cell, and this video is running on the YouTube NK Electric page. Please see that video and ask your junior one GMK Electric Sarjani 2 that why he is not accepting your decision. This video, as a proof, I made it, and I will do it again and again till he will stop load shedding in my area. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.